I think that I'm gonna get engaged this coming weekend, like in the next 4 days. I was really stressed to like get the ring back before Black Friday and Thanksgiving. Walked in on him and my mom whispering about things. He like told me that he got a photographer in Plet, but I'm like, you don't plan things that far ahead. I'm so excited to be a fiance. I'm so excited to marry Philip. You wanna be in it? You wanna be in it?
Hey, come here.
Philip, you're my fiance.
I did well.